So today I'm going to show you how to make ink with pokeberries. So this is pokeberry, pokeweed, poke Americana, Phytolacca Americana. And they make a beautiful purple ink, or like watercolor if you want to call it. So here are the berries in a pot, 1 quart pot, and they are covered with water. And I decided to just put in the stems and even the green berries because I didn't have a lot of the purple ones. I picked this a little bit early, but I had a class and I needed to make the ink. So you want to simmer on the stove. Simmer it down, the water down, and you can see now I have this dark pinkish, purplish colored ink. And the spent berries, the spent stems, which I'm going to compost. Beautiful, isn't it? So here is my saved ink or paint, or even dye, so to call it. I have added about 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to this pint jar. You can see that little black seed. I have a couple seeds that found their way in the jar, but that is my paint. So for class, we are making some pictures with, we're going to use Q-tips and the ink, and I have watercolor paper that previously had some watercolor on there. You can use a paintbrush, you can use sticks, you can use whatever you want to paint with, but isn't that just like so darn lovely? Like, look at that beautiful color. And you want to layer the colors. So I like to outline or use ink with my watercolor. It just brings it highlights it, it brings definition, because watercolors, blend and bleed, and I'm not a professional watercolorist, so the inking can really just give some nice definition. This was just a little sample piece I wanted to make for the class I was going to be teaching, and you can see in the squiggles at the bottom that I layered the ink there a few times, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. So I hope you get the chance to make your own ink. There's finished piece, and I have these beautiful little fairy stickers that I ordered from Amazon. I think I just typed in fairy stickers. And I like to embellish my herb bottles and my art with these really cool stickers. So thank you so much for coming.